I am high as a kite right now. In this episode, I blow some dust off the wood. Maria holds up the headliner, and kids find the snake. So with all the rotten wood out of the boat, I got 2 sheets of 5/8 plywood from Rona. That is for exterior, so it has the waterproof glue inside that I was told is about the same quality as the marine grade plywood. So drum roll, let's see if it fits. I found some cracks here right along the edge, and I'm just grinding that out to put brand new fiberglass in. As always, a job that seemed small at first turned out to be a lot larger than I imagined. Seems to be the theme with this boat though. Along this ridge, in the hole, this crevice, another hole, another crevice, and over to this side. It's a large job, but here we go. I'm not gonna tell you how to do fiberglassing. I'm not a professional, so I can't really guide anybody. A good YouTube channel that I learned everything from, they don't know that I'm doing this. The link is down below. A few lessons learned from the first half that I've done. Lesson 1. Do not mix more than 1 or 2 ounces at the most of the resin. Reason for that is that it will gel up on you like it did on me just now, and I had to throw out about 2 ounces of solution. Lesson number 2. The brushes that I use, there's a glue in them that holds the brush together. If you try to saturate it in acetone so you dilute the resin, do not saturate the metal part of the brush that has the glue underneath, because the brush will fall apart. And lesson number 3. I am high as a kite right now, and I've been outside doing this. So wear a mask, wear something that will protect your lungs, because maybe it's my 6'8" puny lungs, but oh man, I have a headache and a head is spinning. So yeah, wear a mask. Oh. So let's count the score. Was this job professionally done? No. Are there flaws in this job? Probably somebody can find some. But satisfaction? Check. Completeness? Check. Timeliness? Check. Experience? Check. I recently found out that the plexiglass for the windows is super ridiculously expensive. The sheet that would cover this window, which is about 30 inches by 8 inches, would cost me about 40 to 50 bucks. Ridiculous. What I'm going to do is the window that we removed from the bow, I'm gonna cut it in half and use portion of that to cover this window. It is shorter, so I'll have to fiberglass the aft portion. Just in case you're thinking that, oh no, he is about to destroy a perfectly good plexiglass sheet. No, you can probably see it ever so slightly, but there is a crack. Apparently you can do it with a table saw or carbide blades. Just so happen I have a table saw and carbide blades. So it worked. But if you want to cut acrylic glass, that is definitely the way to go. Just do it slowly. As a result, I got two perfectly good windows here. Some of you probably judging me, saying, what the hell is he doing hanging up the fiberglass just like that? Well, this is my disposable layer. What I'm gonna do is just build on top of that once it dries a little bit. It's just a disposable level that I'm going to sand off from the inside once it's all done and covered. I guess now it came the time to sand the whole thing. Yeah, off I go. Quite a few hours later, but the sanding is finally done. Only on the front side though. I'm just painting the front of the boat so that I can put the hatches and the windows in, so when the rain comes the boat won't get filled with water again. It is finally time to paint. I really hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you want to see more. Have a good one!